Good morning and welcome to sunny Massachusetts. Now, over the last year, 2020, and the start of this year, we've found it increasingly difficult to get into factories to do demonstrations, obviously because of the pandemic. So we're kind of thinking outside the box here, and what we're going to be doing is a series of feature demos. We call it Feature Friday, and each Friday we're going to do a little bit about a particular feature of the BestCode printer. Ultimately, what we want to do is be able to take this on the road and offer demonstrations at your facility in the parking lot. So the first feature, which is kind of obvious, I'm running this printer from the power outlet of my car. This is a Jeep Cherokee, and it has a 115 volt, 150 watt power outlet in the car. We're drawing just over an amp on this system, so it's one of the lowest power consumption printers there on the market today. So the feature I want to talk about today is the aligning of the jet. So every now and then, if you've been using inkjet, you know that things happen. The head gets dropped on the floor, whatever might happen, the jet alignment comes out, and one of the things you have to do is to realign it. The tools that you need on most printers is an eye loop, a flashlight, and a small bladed flat screwdriver to make the adjustments. So that's 3 items. I've only got 2 hands. So typically you hold this in your mouth, you're looking through the eye loop, you're trying to, it doesn't work, not very easily anyway. So what we've done at BestCode on the printer is we've added a feature of putting that flash lamp inside the print head itself, behind the jet stream. So we have a little LED flashlight behind the jet stream. To turn it on with the jet running, we just go ahead and disable the print, and then what that does, that disables the high voltage on the plates for doing the alignment. And if I can show you here, at the very bottom of the print head is the LED that comes on. So we have the jet stream, the LED behind. So now all we need to do is hold the eye loop up against the jet stream and make our adjustments with the screwdriver. 2 hands, 2 tools, much better. So this is #ParkingLotDemo, and if you have any interest in receiving a demonstration at your facility, please get in touch. Thank you and have a great weekend.